So this is my first Visual Basic program, and as you can see, I have a start page. Just playing around, creating a tic-tac-toe game in Connect 4. So I basically created the start page, 1 and 2 players, Connect 4 tic-tac-toe. I started with tic-tac-toe first, which is this. And finish the whole game here for 2 players. I still need to code the computer. And then I decided to start Connect 4. Added some logic. So every time I click the button at the top, it drops a chip based on the buttons enabled or not. And as you can see right here, if player 1's turn, basically that's a label. If it's visible, it goes true, then go ahead and check the other condition. If the button 1 is enabled, which is the very bottom one, is enabled, it goes true, then go ahead and mark that red. And then make it false. And then change the labels so that it's now player 2 turn. Which right here, if it's not player 1's turn and player 2 clicks on that button at the very top, it will mark it as yellow. And the button at the very top that I'm referring to is going to be this one. So I decided it'd be easier to code it with buttons at the top, similar like in real life, like you're dropping a chip from the top, instead of actually having the user going here or here or here, because in the real Connect 4 you don't do that, only in TicTacToe. So I put a little button here. As you can see, I'm on the 3rd. I still need to finish the rest. After I do that, then I'm going to start coding the logic on, basically it's going to check if player 1 or player 2 won. And that should be pretty simple. It's going to be a lot of code though, but it's basically 4. As you can see here, it should be more than 4 here. So if player 1 or player 2 has 4 reds or 4 yellows, go in here. They've won, go in here, go in here. So we got to do the same thing for each square. So from here, 4, this way or that way. Then you jump another one and you go 4, 4. Did he win here 4 times? And then that's it. So this part is done. You can't do no more up, but you can do from here 4, then from here 4. So as you can see, it's gonna take some time, but it'll be worth it. So I'm gonna show you guys a preview. I guess I can start with the code. This is Tic-Tac. That's gonna be a short video, so if you guys want another video, subscribe, like, and I'll go more into detail on my code. If you subscribe and like, I can eventually probably give you my source code. I created a class just for practice. This is my first program. I love programming. I don't do it for a living, but I enjoy it. So button clicks, basically, it's a sub procedure. A lot of this, you can copy paste and then rename the buttons or labels. Seems like a lot, but it's not really that bad. Connect 4 UI, I'll probably enhance it later and make it better, because with Tic-Tac I started very similar, very plain, and then made it a little bit nicer, if that's nice, at least. But all right, let's go ahead and hit play and see what we got. So we'll start with Tic-Tac first. As you can see right here, I'm gonna minimize this, minimize this. So I made it 1 or 2 players. I haven't coded the computer yet. That's gonna take a while. It's gonna be a lot of good logic there. But 2 players, if they unmask, 2 players, and it's automatically gonna type in their Mr. Computer. I'm gonna put in here Johnny. For the sake or just John is fine. And then we have 2 games so far. Might, make more in the future. But for now, we got TicTacToe. Let's go hit TicTacToe. Let's play. Let's see what we got. So we got labels here. Label here and a hidden label here. So my turn. Let's say Johnny's turn. So okay. My turn again. No winner yet, but check this out. Congratulations, Johnny, you beat Mr. Computer. Of course, pretty good. I did a new round here that when you click on it, resets everything. Oh, well. Actually, I didn't reset everything, so I'm gonna have to look at that code again. All right, anyways, I'm gonna hit exit. Okay, I won with 1 point. And let's try TicTacToe. Connect 4 now. Let's go in here. So we're gonna hit connect 4, leave player 1, player 2 blank. I made a little script there, a little code that'll fill it in.
It's time to kick ass and chew bubble gum, and I am all out of gum.
That's a bonus. So player's 1 turn, similar to Tic-Tac. It hit the label so that the code works and know whose turn, what color to mark. So as I was saying, I don't want the user to go in here. Can't do nothing. Maybe I need to change the background to stay white. That's fine, but this is what I was talking about. So, and now it's player's 2 turn. Player 1 again. Player 2, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. And check this out. On the last one, I want this to be disabled because we're done with that. And we're done with that. So I got 4 more columns to go. Maybe a few more sounds, more buttons, exit, new game, keep track of score. But that's what I have for now. Hope you all enjoy it.